Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Amita's Creative Wings. So today we will learn how to make simple flowers. So yeah, let's begin. So first try to make a good circle as much as you can. Make it perfect. If you cannot, no worries. It will take time. Now we will make petals, and petals will be in heart shape, but they all will be connected to each other. Now we are making second flower. The same thing. Again a circle. Then we will make a curved line which will go from outside to inside. Then both lines will connect to each other. If you are very new and you don't know how many petals will come in one circle, so yeah, I'm going to tell you or teach you in the next video how to do that in easy way. Now come to the next flower. Again, time to make a circle. We will draw a curved line from outside to inside with 3 curves, and will take line to the circle. We will repeat the same process 3 times. Draw one circle. Draw a line, take it from outside to inside and make V shape, then connect to the circle. That's it. And repeat the same process more times. It's very lovely incident. I thought I'm recording, but I forget to hit a button of recording. So now I'm making it again. Make one circle and then make another circle around it. Draw a curved line from outside to inside. Then it will connect to the circle as we did earlier. Remember, these petals will be curvy and pointed. Make a circle, then make V shape towards circle. But remember, they should not touch with each other. We will make petal with the help of both ends of V shape. We will make curved line from outside to inside. And then we'll connect both lines. We will make a circle and then we will make O shape or U shape round petal. And this petal is very easy. But remember, its curve will go more towards inside. I hope this video will be very helpful to you guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new on my channel. And thank you so much for watching my videos.